The first standard report that you will see on the list is the shelf list. The shelf list is a list of your resources, including the barcode number, call number, author, title, and cost. You can use basic or advanced record selection options to choose what section of your library you would like to run a shelf list report for. If your library is part of a system that has multiple locations or branches, the report will be based on the selected location at the top of the page, and whether you've selected all locations or selected location only. This report can be viewed on screen, printed, or downloaded. Click inside the green ribbon or in the area just above the report text.